Next up, Sunshroud Cave. This is located all the way in the far north of Ember Strand. So, let's do it. There is a main quest that you can do here called Darkness Unseen. I'd recommend you get to this quest line first before coming here. Alright, so over here by the main entrance, we'll work our way up from the entrance all the way up to this big tower over here. And just below it over here, you should see the hidden mystical crate is here. So again, work your way up this path all the way to here, and we're exactly here on the map, pretty much where the quest marker is. Now these are level 49 vultures, so they can be very annoying to deal with, but for now we'll touch it once, then climb up here, touch it again, third time, and there we go. Here's our hidden mystical crate. Inside of it, we get these items. Then we'll head back down this hill, as the place that we need to go to enter this cave is at the bottom. So we'll work our way down and towards the front entrance over here. We'll need to fight our way into it, and this place is going to be super hot, so make sure you have a coldium on you, as well as probably an iced drink as well. So we'll make our way into this, doing a little bit of parkour. This place has one of the highest concentrations of loot out of pretty much, well, anywhere. You'll see why in just a moment. If we head into this main section here, we'll need to deal with Igna's messenger, a level 48 mini area boss. But you can already see that there's just so much loot lying around here. Also the goons on the side as well. Now we previously come across an Igna's messenger, and they're super annoying to deal with, take so long to get down just because of their shields. So according to the in-game chat, apparently just grenades gets rid of Igna's shield and stuff, so I suppose we'll try it out. Worth a shot. Alright, so with the help of other people and pushing into this main centerpiece over here, you can see just how many boxes there are. So clearing out the enemies nearby, so we can grab one gear crate, then weapon crates, then another weapon crate, then another gear crate over here, 2 of each. And now that we've grabbed these 4 crates here, we can move into this building here, where we'll find yet another one. And heading out here, we'll need to basically just progress with the quest line. So we'll head up to the left, then up here as well. So up here, across, and now we're in the next area. And we are feeling hot, so I'll make sure that I'm topped up with cooling stuff. So ice melon drink, there we go. Now over here, you can immediately see yet another gear crate, and of course the rift down there. So we'll start over here with the gear crate right next to us, as such. Then we'll hop down here towards this rift right below us. Over here, we'll activate it on the far side, and immediately behind this rift, you can see the mystical crate sitting right there with a tremble guard here, so we'll have to deal with them first. So dealing with this dude from some cover, should be able to get him down much easier than the guard that was outside of here. And with him down, we can proceed further. So we'll grab his loot, hop up here, and we're able to pick up the mystical crate right here. So there we go. Sweet. Then we'll head across this zip line. So over here, we'll head across and we'll hop off right about here. So here we go. Then we'll head towards the right, so up this ladder. And from the top here, we'll continue right, pretty much following where the quest line is taking us. So we'll find yet another zip line on the way here, throwing out this rocket launcher guard. We should be able to zip line across, and in this next section, dealing with more flamey boys, we now see yet another weapon crate sitting right here. Sweet. Now we'll continue this way, so across here, and the quest line takes us left now, but we need to head across to the right first. Continuing along in this direction, past all of these things here, to yet another big guard, and he's guarding yet another weapon crate, so we'll need to get rid of him first. And with him gone, grabbing his loot, let's continue across this way. So all the way at the very end, we'll have a zip line and a ladder here. The zip line's a little bit glitchy, so you might not be able to make it all the way up. Either way, we need to get to the top here. Oh, fantastic. I see they also haven't bothered with half the textures here. The wall is lava. At the top here, to your right, dealing with these guards first, we should find some useful scraps to grab, and we'll head up this way through this chain link fence. Through here, you'll find yet another guard protecting another, I think that's a gear crate. So yet another guard that's walking backwards apparently. We'll deal with him. And once we've done that, we're able to grab the gear crate that's up here. So grabbing this is what I get from it. Now we'll head backwards through the way we came in, over here, and we'll turn left going through that new part of the cave that we see here. This is going to be super hot, so make sure you're charged up and ready to go. So coming through here past all of these hot crystals, we'll find more guards, and just past them, a pit over here with a bunch of lava, and directly underneath us, a weapon crate. So we'll go straight for this one. There we go. This is what I get from it. Now we need to find our way out of here, which is going to be super dangerous. So we'll probably want to parachute across to the ladder and get our way up. Should be the safest. Now this is the exit from the cave over here, but we don't want to leave just yet, especially because we have more story quest to go through. So we'll head back to where we came in here. So past these, all the way back down here, past these pools once more, all the way to the rest of the quest line, which is through here. So continuing this way towards our marked goal, all the way, we'll get to this section here with a bunch more guards, and just over to the right, once we clear things out, you can see up there a shining yellow crate once more, and of course another sword shieldy guard. So we'll get rid of this dude, and as soon as we do, we can grab his loot and continue this way. So just up here to the right, you can see the chest there. So we'll just come past up here, and we should be able to grab it just to the right. So there we go. This is the final weapon crate for this area, and that pretty much 100%s it, besides the storyline that we can continue progressing here. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.